Hi, my name is Adam Heverlo, and I would like to welcome you back to the Design Studio. Today is all about being warm and cozy and embracing autumn. We're going to create this beautiful display in these gorgeous yarn-enhanced vessels from your monthly bouquet. Let's get started creating this stunning design. So first off, show you how to make these gorgeous cylinder vases with yarn wrap. I'm obsessed with yarn. I love the texture, the fuzziness of it. It just adds so much, and when you feel it, it adds. I just love yarn. So all I did is I had some cylinders just laying around, utility cylinders, nothing fancy. You can use a square, you can use whatever design you want, but just something that you can put some stickies on. I am using Oasis adhesive strips for mine, but you could also use double stick tape, would work just fine. And as you can see, I've already started placing them randomly around the vase. And with the Oasis strips, if you're going to use them, you just peel off one side, put it where you want it, and you're good to go. So let's pop the other sides off. This is such a great way to make the ordinary extraordinary, right? It doesn't have to be the same. That's been the whole thing about these videos, is what you see doesn't have to be the outcome. You get to decide what it is. Yarn, as you know, comes in so many different varieties and colors. This yarn actually has 3 pieces together, so I pre-knotted the top so it doesn't keep unraveling. And I'm gonna put the yarn part facing down because I want a clean edge. I don't want that sticking up, so face that down and just wrap the yarn from the top all the way down. And it'll grab a hold of the adhesive and create this gorgeous design. I will give you a hint, if you use a thicker yarn like I'm using, it takes a lot less for it to cover. If you were to use just a 1-strand yarn, then of course, you know, it's going to take you a lot to cover. So we're just going to go all the way down. And as you get closer to the bottom, you can take off the rest of the tabs. I just love the way this feels. We have spent quite a few months together, and I have loved every minute. I hope you're enjoying it as much as me, and I hope you're seeing the value in floral and everything that you can do in your home and as hostess gifts and as personal gifts. Floral is the language, right? It says everything you want it to say. So then you just bring it down to the bottom. Cut that off. Just toss that to the side. And it's adhered. How perfect is that? Stunning, aren't they? From a basic cylinder to a beautiful vessel for our gorgeous flowers. So I'm going to put this one to the side because we're going to use this for something different. I've already taken the packet of nutrient and mixed it into the watering can, so I'm going to add some water. I will give you a hint. These are not the easiest thing to clean because you don't want to get the yarn wet. So when you have them at home, what I do is once the flowers have perished, I just take a paper towel with a little bit of bleach on there and I wipe the inside, and then I just take another paper towel with water and dry it off. If you do that, don't put flowers in right away. Give it about 48 hours for that chemical to kind of dissipate. But that way you don't have to submerge the vase in water and you still get it sterile for your next design. So that's just a little helpful hint for you. First, we're going to start with our beautiful cremones. We're going to put the purples all the way around. The bigger of the 2 vases. The whole thing about this design is we want dimension. So you want to have different size vessels. We want some of that beautiful dimension. And then we're going to put our color enhanced Euryngum. We'll put one on the top, one on the bottom. Let's take our beautiful spray roses and let's just place them on the bottom. And if you get a stem like this, very lucky, that's a lucky stem because you have so many laterals, go ahead and cut some of those off and put it around the vase. This is going to be a great statement piece for your dining table, your kitchen island, pretty much anywhere in your home. Alstroemeria. Chances are when you receive your bouquet, they're going to be closed like this one. Perfectly fine, they just need time to open. So when you put them on the top, just give them some space around them because they're going to pop right open and you're going to have these gorgeous flowers. You can see that this one is already starting to pop open and you're going to have some beautiful flowers. So just give it a little bit of space for it to do its magic. And you can see it's coming together, right? Take our lavender roses, put those into the lower one. Within a couple of days in your home from a fresh cut, this whole thing, the roses are going to be so beautiful and open. You are going to absolutely be in love with it. So the Gerbers, I'm going to put one there. Take the straws off. I don't think you need the straws. Pop those puppies off. Put that in there. I'm purposely leaving negative space in this, so again, when those roses open, it's going to be so great. And then our ruscus, I want to just give us a little bit of height coming out of here. It's crazy, isn't it, how much we get from one bouquet. And when you did break them up and design and create with them, you get so much. Let me just clean this off so you don't see my mess. And now we're going to take the Eller vessel that we covered, but we didn't put water in. We're going to flip it upside down. We're going to put it in the back corner. And we're going to add our beautiful candle on. I said last month, battery candles are so amazing now, and they're safe. Especially if you have yarn around, a battery candle is the way to go. I would not do a traditional pillar. If you do a traditional pillar, please put it in a glass cylinder so you don't have fire anywhere near. I'm going to turn this on. And what do you think? Is that not a stunning display for your table? You have the candle glow, you have the beautiful floral, and you base it down with these gorgeous yarn enhanced cylinder vases. I hope you enjoyed it today as much as I did. I look forward to seeing you next month for our Thankful design. It's going to be fabulous. Remember, like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.